So finally this year is ending, and today we're gonna share the recipe of rice pancake, also known as Chitoi and the recipe is really easy to follow and you can make that at home. So let me tell you the recipe. We will be mixing rice flour, baking powder and salt. Make sure to add water little by little, otherwise the recipe can be ruined really easily. And keep mixing. So as you can see, the texture is smooth and silky. If it is different than the one that you can see in the video, you might need to modify a little bit, otherwise your rice pancake will not turn out looking good. And now we will be blending the mixture for a better result at the end. And now I'm gonna show you how to set up the apparatus for making that pancake. So I'm adding cooking oil, but at the same time I'm gonna use a paper towel to spread the oil everywhere, but at the same time the paper towel will soak the extra oil. So in a way you can say I'm using a very little amount of the cooking oil. And now I'm gonna pour the rice flour mixture in order to make the pancake. And now I'm gonna cover that with the lid and wait for 5 to 8 minutes. And as you can see, we do have a fluffy rice pancake ready to eat. Now we're gonna make a little bit different pancake, different in the way we are just adding cilantro, pepper and onions to the mixture because my mom loves spicy food. So it's just the same way, but just adding the ingredients that I just mentioned. And it's ready. And again, the rice pancake is not too hard but fluffy and soft and really tasty to eat. And today we're gonna enjoy that with beef curry. So hope you guys will like this recipe and can make it at home. If you have any question, feel free to message me. And please don't forget to share, subscribe, like, and also Happy New Year!